to edit image in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, import your image and add it to the timeline. Then click on the image in the timeline, and on the right side you'll find different options. First is basic, which is scale. You can zoom in or zoom out as you want. You can also change position, rotate if you want. If you need to remove background, click on remove background and you will be able to remove background as well. At the top, you'll find another option, animation. Simply click on it. If you need to add any animation, it is basically for video, so you can simply skip this. Then click on adjust. In adjust at the top, you'll find different options, which is basic, HSL, curves, color wheel, mask. Simply scroll down and then select color, temperature, increase or decrease, tint, increase or decrease, saturation, increase or decrease. Then you'll find exposure. You can increase the exposure or decrease the exposure. Contrast, increase or decrease, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks. After your edit is done, click on save. And then you can press on export at the top and save your picture. This is how to edit image in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.